Now, having studied what are operators, arithmetic operators, let us solve a simple question. So let us assume that A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. Then what will be the value of the expression if I say what will be the value of C, where C is integer, and the expression goes something like this: 8 multiplied by A plus B divide by B mod 2 divided by B mod 2. Now, how to solve this expression? So, to solve this expression, first thing which comes into the mind is that this parenthesis. So, first step is that we have to solve the parenthesis. And when we solve this parenthesis, what we see that multiplication has got higher presence than plus. So, first multiplication has to be done. So, 8 multiplied by A, and A is 10. So, 8 multiplied by 8 becomes 80 plus B. B is what? 20. So this is the parenthesis. Divide by 20 mod 2. हमने सिर्फ values replace कर दी इस step पे. Now 80 plus 20, because this is parenthesis, this has to be solved before. It becomes 100. Divide by 20 mod 2. Now we have to solve mod before or division before. So remember that both of them have the same precedence, and what we have to do is we have to solve from left hand side. So 100 divided by 20. 100 divided by 20 becomes 25 is a 100, and integer divided by integer, result is integer. So it gives 5 mod 2. 5 mod 2, and 5 mod 2 is 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. So the answer comes over 1. Many of you will make a mistake that you will solve this modulus operator before. You will solve this statement as 20 mod 2, and 20 mod 2 is 0, and you will say that 100 divided by 0, it is a wrong answer, it will give an infinity. So because of associativity, this division has to be solved before. This is one practice question we have done. Now let us see assignment operator. This assignment operator is very important. Though it has got least precedence, but assignment operator works like this, though we have told before also that value of right hand side is given into, sorry, value of right hand side is given at left hand side. तो left hand side पे सिर्फ और सिर्फ वेरिएबल आ सकता है. Only variable is allowed at left hand side. No expression can come, no constant can come. कुछ नहीं आ सकता, सिर्फ वेरिएबल आ सकता है. तो अगर कोई ऐसे लिख दे आपके पास, मतलब कोई इस तरह से मिल जाए a plus b is equals to 5, this is wrong. You can write a is equals to b plus 5 or something like this, but a plus b is equals to 5 cannot be written. 5 is equals to a, this is also wrong. You can write a is equals to 5, but 5 is equals to a cannot be written. On left hand side, only a variable can come. Remember this thing. Another thing is that comma. More than one value can be separated with the help of comma. For example, if I write a is equals to b comma c comma d semicolon, what will happen in this case? Over here, b, c, d can be any expression, they can be any value, or they can be any variable. So remember, in this case, value of b is assigned to a, c and d are irrespective. They do not affect the value of a. C and d will not affect the value of a. For example, if I write a is equals to 5 comma 10 comma 15, so a will be assigned a value 5. A will be given a value 5. 10 and 15 does not affect anything on a. 10 and 15 does not affect anything on a. For example, let us write a simple thing. Let us take another example. If I write q is equals to a plus b, comma b minus c, comma c plus d, where a, b, c are certain expressions. So whatever is the value of a plus b will go to q, And these two expressions will be solved. They will be solved, but they will not be assigned to Q. These two expressions will be computed, but it will not affect the value of Q. So remember this comma operators, we can give more than one value at this sign, means separated by this thing. We can write this in this way. And also when we declare a variable, I think we have covered this thing before, that we can write int a comma b comma c. So more than one variable can be declared in the same statement also. So this we have seen a small example of arithmetic operators. In the next video we will be seeing about more on operators, and we'll be talking about logical operators.